Hi, I'm Josh Weldon. We're at the SEMA 2021 show in the Ford booth, and I'm here with John Garrett, who is a pro bass fisherman. Tell us a little bit about that and what you do.
Yeah, I'm a professional bass fisherman. What I do through basically years, I travel around and fish for BASS. So I travel around, fish 9 tournaments throughout the year, and us and David Leach and Michael Brandt kind of designed this truck for me, for the professional bass fisherman to travel around the country in. So basically, from the front to back of it, just has every aspect that a professional fisherman will need. But we can start with the back of this vehicle.
You got a seat.
Yeah, we got a sink. So everything on this fence will actually fold up, pull up, and collapse and slide into the back of the vehicle. So everything on this fence right here, from the sink, the washer and dryer, and the ice machine, it's actually all going to pull up and collapse and slide into the back of this vehicle, and it runs off of this water tank in the back. Now in the back, this bed slide slides out. We also have an ARB air compressor for whether if we have a flat tire on the truck or boat, and actually help everybody else out. And this ice machine is actually going to be a huge help to me because I always need fresh ice in my live wells and in my cooler in my boat, help keep fish alive and keep me, having cold drinks as well. On this side, we have a microwave, a grill, and a fridge and freezer as well. So in case,
you get a hell of a party with this thing.
If I ever get hungry or whatnot. But all this slides up and slides in, very practical use. We have a Lear locker in the back, slides out, comes down, I'll be able to keep my tools, extra fishing line and whatnot, keep that up there locked and safe as well.
Oh, so it's like a toolbox that's mounted to the roof of the...
So it slides in, it comes down, and goes all the way to the back of the vehicle.
Oh, that's rad.
Actually, on the top of the vehicle, we have our Yakima rod carriers. I actually have these things loaded down with rods. I'll probably have 50 rods in both of those throughout the year, and it keeps me from having to keep them in my boat and in my way.
Right on.
Also, I have an extra step that collapses, comes in and out, be able to reach my rod and reels better on top. And we also have rigid accessory lights on the back of it. When I put in reverse, dark boat ramp, they'll see everything. As we come down the side of the vehicle, we have a 5-inch run board, but with slip knot technology and fabrication. So really, it's going to be great for me from getting in and out of the waters. Won't slip on my run boards like most of them have. We also have another Yakima rack up here with a basket on top. I'll be able to keep those baskets and cargo carriers locked in. I'll keep my fishing line and extra tackle up there as well. We have Hankook Dynapro 35 by 12.5 inch tires with centerline bronze wheels.
Those wheels are sick.
Those wheels are nice. They really are. I'll walk around the front here.
I like the little touch, the painted in American flag.
I dig that. That thing is really nice. Yep. I like that as well.
In the stock truck they have that, but it's not painted. So having that painted like that is a cool little touch.
Yeah. So on the front of the vehicle, we have our Warren 12S winch right here. Just in case you ever get stuck in a boat ramp in the mud. A lot of times those boat ramps get iced over and it's hard to get out. So we also have a Warren 10 front and rear bumper. What's nice about this front bumper is it allows my front camera and my front auto collision crash sensors to still work on the front. So,
very cool.
Yep. That's the Borla black chrome exhaust.
Right on. I like the side exit behind the wheels. It looks cool. All right, man. So this truck is wicked. How did the build come about? Like, what was the genesis behind it?
Yeah, so we actually, David and I and Amy at Hypertech, we actually pitched this idea to Kyle at Ford. Okay. And just saying, all these builds at SEMA, they've never had a fishing and outdoor vehicle like this. It's unique, and it's just a kind of a different market for Ford on the fishing aspect of the world. So that's kind of where we come up with
Which is a booming business. It's
a very booming business. There's a ton of people doing it throughout the whole entire country. So basically, just this whole look is different from what else you see here.
Right. What was it like having the input on like designing your truck? Like how did that feel?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty nice. Having my ideas thrown in, David's ideas, and actually we worked with Michael Brandt from Garage LLC in Chattanooga. So he did an awesome job. The back of the vehicle, he spent hours on that.
Right.
It's awesome. He actually put everything together. He did a great job.
Right on.
So we're proud to have him.
Yeah, Mike is a good dude. He's a good dude.
Great guy.
Yep.
Great guy.
Very cool. Well, thanks for taking the time to show us around your truck. Hopefully I'll get to talk to you in the future and see how it worked out and how it helped your life. You're gonna enjoy the heck out of this. I'm excited for you. This is so cool.
Yep.
So, Brad, man, thanks for your time. It was great meeting you and talking to you, and